Do you wanna be like your father? The older you get, your head's getting hotter.
Hi guys, so
Pick up the phone when he calls you. You know he's alone. He's preaching 'cause he loves you. Where have you been?
Going to San Mateo, and then after that I have no idea, but my mom and my tita planned this road trip.
wait na po here.
Time keeps telling me
We ended up buying food, bro. Nandito na yung sasakyan. Nandito na daw yung sasakyan. Nandiyan na si Kuya Shem.
Gusto na kaya yung kanin ko?
Kanin ka?
May kanin ako. Ito ba? Ibibideo kita. Ako bahala sa'yo. May tripod din ako sarili. Nakalabanan natin sa AJ.
Kanya-kanyang vlog. Paramihan ng views. Right? Ano ba ang copyrights yung may mga sound? Dapat salita mo yun, boses mo. Oh, ayoko na ganun. Pati kanta, boses mo yun. Long build. Naku, hayaan mo na yung mga ano. Hindi ko naman talaga ano mag-
May food dito.
Dito lang naman kami. Enjoy life.
Sa halaga. Hindi bang daan? Tsura mo si AJ sa ganyan, okay dyan? Dito,
all the old containers that I fill with my past.
I have nothing interesting to say, but sobrang biglaan talaga nito. Napulot ko sa Boracay. Sa Boracay. Sa ko.
Walks through the night that didn't take us anywhere. I had funny looking legs. You were funnier than most people.
I'm not good with the heat. Hindi ko alam ko. Hindi ko talaga alam why they wanted to come here. I know it's for the photos, obviously, but other than that, I don't know.
We skipped a class or two to write a couple songs. They were always pretty good. Till the next year we realized that we were wrong.
I feel like I don't want the iced mocha anymore because they have tiramisu, but it's kind of expensive.
Sa akin yung free.
No, kasi ano naman free siya kapag kasama yung tiramisu. Hindi, okay lang sa akin kahit yung tiramisu lang. I really feel like I'm bald whenever I tie my hair. So, we switched tables, and now my lighting is super bad kasi my mom wanted me to sit here.
Wala ako
We're both throwing smoke into the night. It's raining, I suppose you need a ride. She said, I've got nothing to do, neither do you. There's a place down the road where we can waste the whole afternoon.
Sarap na. Wala. Kaya pala matagal.
No, ang tiramisu, naka-chill na yan.
Alam mo ba sa tagal? Binibidyohan din nila sa loob. Ano yun? Pasok-pasok. Tanong ako
Sobrang sarap.
We?
Parang bayaran pa ito kahit 1,000 daw. So we just left the restaurant. Ta-da! pretty! I'm fixed on my idea of wanting to do if magkakaroon ako, my pre-debut film dito sa Tanay. Not here exactly, pero dito ko talaga kasi gusto sa Tanay Rizal mag-shoot.
S'mores tsaka hot choco. Di ba?
I did a quick outfit change. This is so comfy!
Hi guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bagay naman kayo. 4 signs happy. Bagay naman kayo sad. Bagay naman kayo disappointed. Bagay naman kayo angry. Bagay naman kayo.
Thank you po. Bye-bye po.
Clock it ticks, I have to get older. And I wake up and the dream is over. Packed away